In this video, I will show you how to print large data in Excel on one page. Most of the times we face issue while printing large data in Excel. For example, I have this Excel file with some sample data here. This Excel has 11 columns, and when I try to print it, as you can see, some of the columns get cut off. Now if you try adjusting the column width, then it often causes the text to get cropped and we will not be able to read the data. So here is the simple way to fix this problem. First, select the entire data in Excel file. Now press Ctrl and 1 on your keyboard. You need to keep pressing Ctrl key and then press 1 on your keyboard. In the Format Cells dialog box, go to Alignment tab and then select option Shrink to Fit. Then click OK. Now when you adjust the column width, the text size will be reduced and will automatically fit properly. Using this method, you can easily adjust even large data sets as per your needs. Now if I try to take a print, all the columns are included properly. So that is how you can print large data in Excel on one page. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.